Is PNB MetLife TULIP plan the ultimate solution for your long-term financial goals, or could it be just another overhyped ULIP in the market? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. But before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. This is an individual unit-linked non-participating savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with substantial life insurance coverage to financially protect your family against unexpected events. It offers the potential to grow your investment through market-linked returns. It allows you to choose from 17 fund options tailored to your risk appetite, and it also retains a portion of the premium allocation and mortality charges at set intervals during the policy term. And you have the option to boost your coverage with the policy linked accidental death benefit rider, and you can also enjoy possible tax benefits on premiums paid and policy benefits subject to current tax laws. And there are benefits like death benefit, which the policyholder, nominee or beneficiary will get if the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. And there is something called maturity benefit as well, which the policyholder will get once the policy matures. And there are investment strategies that you can choose according to your risk tolerance and investing style. And as I have previously mentioned, it also has 17 fund options, which in this tabular column presented on the screen. For your reference, you can see that we have categorized based on how much percentage of allocation each fund option has been given to asset classes like equities, debt, money market, and it is also categorized according to the risk profile each fund option has for your easy reference. Now, this policy as a ULIP policy also has many charges which it imposes on the policyholder. Charges like mortality charges, partial withdrawal charge, premium allocation charge, policy administration charge, fund management charges, discontinuance charges, but there are no switching charges. You can make unlimited switches in a policy year free of any charge. But the thing is, even though they return some charges or there is not a little bit of charges here and there, still these charges will be significantly reducing your returns in the long term period, because these high costs reduce the effective amount invested, which can negatively impact your overall returns. Consequently, your long-term maturity benefits may be significantly lower. Now, let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. Let's start with the advantages. So, you have the option to reduce your sum assured, modify your premium payment term or policy term, and even lower your installment premium after the first 5 policy years. And you can even adjust your investment strategy by redirecting future premiums to different funds as your financial goals or market look changes over time. And you can switch your investments either partially or fully between the available segregated funds under the self-managed option. And after completing the 5-year lock-in period, or once the life assured turns 18, whichever is later, you may withdraw a portion of the fund value. And you can choose to pay your installment premiums annually, semi-annually, quarterly or monthly, and you can switch between these payment modes at any time during the policy term. Some of the disadvantages of investing in this policy is there is no loan option, and there is also a mandatory 5-year lock-in period which applies before any withdrawals can be made, and only the net premium after deducting various charges is invested in the selected funds. And the life insurance component of this policy may fall short of providing your family with adequate financial protection for your dependents. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. So to assess a market-linked product, estimating its potential returns is crucial. It enables comparison with other investment options and helps you make informed financial decisions. That's why let us make an IRR analysis. So let us conduct an internal rate of return analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So let us assume for calculation purpose that a 35-year-old male has opted for this plan with a sum assured of 15 lakhs. So the policy term is 20 years and the premium is paid for 10 years at 1 lakh rupees annually. At maturity, the accumulated fund value will be paid out. So in the brochure, They have given an example where the projected outcomes are based on assumed gross investment returns of 4% and 8% per annum. These figures are purely for example purpose. The actual returns are not guaranteed and may vary depending on the market performance. This is a market linked product. So just to give you an example of how it can play to the both extremes of worst case and best case scenarios, they have given you two options of 4% and 8% return examples. So at 4% return, the projected fund value is 15.63 lakhs, translating to an IRR of 2.90% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is the worst case scenario. At 8% return, in the best case scenario, the projected fund value is 26.58 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 6.40% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So the market linked products are typically chosen with the expectation that they will generate returns that outpace inflation over the long term period. However, the PNB MetLife TULIP plan falls short in this regard. The projected returns may not be sufficient to beat inflation and grow your wealth meaningfully. Moreover, the sum assured offered under the plan is relatively low, making it inadequate for comprehensive financial protection. This combination of modest returns and limited life cover raises concerns about the plan's effectiveness in meeting both investment and insurance needs. This highlights a potential shortfall in achieving the target corpus if you rely solely on this ULIP. So given the mismatch between the risk taken and the returns offered in this policy, it's worth exploring alternative strategies that provide better risk-adjusted outcomes. So ULIPs combine insurance and investment, but in many cases, separating these two components can lead to far more effective financial planning. So let us explore a strategy where we will separately invest in insurance and investment for a fair comparison. To secure life coverage, a pure term policy with a sum assured of 15 lakhs costs approximately 12,000 rupees annually as a premium for a 20-year policy term with a 10-year premium payment period. So these are similar metrics to PNB MetLife policy for a fair comparison. So compared to the 1 lakh annual premium we paid under the TULIP plan, this leaves an investable surplus of 88,000 rupees per year. So your investment strategy can be tailored to your risk appetite. If you are a conservative investor, you can opt for instruments like PPF, while growth-oriented individuals may choose equity-linked options such as ELSS funds. In this example, we assume the investment is made in ELSS, which is also a market-linked product, for a better fair comparison between the PNB MetLife policy, which also has market-linked risk. With an ELSS investment of 88,000 rupees per year for 10 years, the estimated pre-tax maturity value is 53.71 lakh. After applying capital gains tax, the net maturity value comes to around 48.26 lakhs, delivering a post-tax IRR of 10.40%. So if you have any doubts regarding how the ELSS tax calculation has been made, do have a small tabular column presented in the screen in front of you for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this clearly demonstrates that separating insurance from investment not only improves returns but also supports stronger wealth creation and long-term financial growth, a significant improvement over what the PNB MetLife policy offers. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the PNB MetLife TULIP policy worth it or not? This is a unit-linked insurance plan, as the name indicates, combining life insurance with market-linked investment. Like most ULIPs, it carries multiple charges that reduce the net premium invested. While some of these charges are refunded at intervals, the time value of money is not factored in considerably, which diminishes their actual benefit. Our return analysis in this video reveals to you that the plan's long-term performance is relatively weak. For a market-linked product, the returns are modest, indicating an unfavorable risk-to-return balance, and it also has a high agent commission. Furthermore, the sum assured offered may be inadequate to cover even basic family protection needs, potentially jeopardizing your financial plan over time. Overall, this policy is not a suitable option for long-term wealth creation. So bundling insurance with investments, as in ULIPs, is generally not advisable. A better approach is to opt for a pure term policy that provides essential financial protection at a lower cost premium. So the savings from the lower premiums can be invested in a diversified portfolio across asset classes, offering a stronger chance of meeting your long term financial goals.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.